Students, in the previous class we have seen the nucleophilic substitution reactions in aromatic compounds. Today let us discuss about electrophilic substitution reactions. So as we have discussed in the previous class, substitution reactions is nothing but what here? Replacement of atom or group by another atom or group in a molecule, we call it as substitution reactions. So generally the substitution reactions are divided into three types, that is nucleophilic, electrophilic and free radical. So coming to here, this is electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction is nothing but what here? Whenever electrophile attack to the substitution reactions. So electrophile means what here? E plus. Okay, so this one is going to attack to the substitution reactions. We call it as electrophilic substitution reactions. So this electrophilic, electrons loving, we can say philic means loving, electro, so electrons loving reactions we can say. Okay, so here we are having generally positive electrophiles, neutral electrophiles which will carry charge. Electron rich compounds we call it as positive electrophiles. If it is not having any charge but it will show electron rich compounds, that one we call it as neutral electrophiles. Okay, so let us see here electrophilic substitution reactions in aromatic compounds. Okay, generally haloarenes, it will undergo electrophilic reactions of the benzene ring like halogenation, nitration, sulfonation, Federal-Kraft reaction. Here what happens means generally halogen atom is a deactivating group, but here it should attack at meta position. But what happening due to the presence of deactivating group, so it is attacking the position of ortho and para, means it is directing. Okay, so here the ortho para directing influence of halogen atom, by using the resonating structures we can easily understand. So what I have told you here, generally haloarenes undergo electrophilic reactions of the benzene such as halogenation, sulfonation, nitration and Federal-Kraft reaction. Okay, so these halogenarenes will undergo electrophilic substitution reactions in this one. So coming to here, what we can say here, this halogen atom are ring activating, but all the para are directing groups. Okay, so what we can say here, halogen atom are ring deactivating, but ortho and para positions are directing groups. So this is can be explained due to resonance. For example, if I am taking haloarene, okay, X I am taking here. So due to lone pair of electrons, in the previous class we have seen, by doing resonance structures we are getting here double bond X minus charge. Okay, so now what happens, this bond will turn here, this one will be getting minus charge, so you are getting double bond X. Again this minus will turn here, this one will get minus charge. double bond X, this one will turn up, and here you will be getting again the same structure. This one will come inside. So coming to here, what happens? X. So this is the resonance structures. Due to the presence of resonance structures, we can say. So due to the resonance, what we can say here, the electron density increases at ortho and para position, we can say. Why? Because coming to meta position, what happens? Coming to meta position, it decreases the electron density in the benzene. So by this resonance structure, what we can say, due to resonance, the electron density increases at ortho and para positions. So why it is going to happen here? Due to the resonance. Coming to meta position, what happens? Due to meta position, it is decreasing. Okay, so this is the reason. Electron density is decreasing at meta position. So now, if halogen atom, because of its negative atom, it will withdraw electrons from the benzene ring. Okay, so negative inductive effect means what here? Which will withdraw electrons. That one we call it as negative inductive effect. So here the ring gets somewhat deactivated compared to benzene. Why? Because due to the presence of some of the withdrawing electrons. That one we call it as what here? Electron substitution reactions. In haloarenes, what happens? It will occur very slow. Why? Because it will withdraw electrons. Okay, so now let us see one by one what I have told you. First one, halogenation, sulfonation, nitration, Federcraft reaction. So now let us see the reactions of first one, halogenation. So halogenation. So to the chlorobenzene, halogens means what? We have to take halogens in the presence of anhydrous FeCl3. So when you react with some Lewis acids, so what you are getting here? At ortho position it may get, at para position also it may get. Okay, so now here this is 1,2 dichlorobenzene, so which will be a minor product. So minus HCl will be lost from here, H, and here one Cl will be lost. So next one you are going to get next product at para position. So you are going to get here Cl. Okay, so this is a 1,4 dichlorobenzene. So this one will be what? Major product. So means what here? This is the major, this one will be the minor. Okay, so in the same way, if you have it, this is all due to resonance structures we are going to explain. So coming to next one, if you have been taken nitration, so nitration means what here? Here I am taking chlorine in the presence of HNO3 plus concentrated H2SO4. Okay, this is the reagent of the nitration. So generally when you add these two, you are going to get NO2 plus. So here we are adding electrophiles only, plus reagents only we are adding. So that's why we are going to get, this one also will give two products. That is Cl, here NO2, ortho position and para position. Cl. Okay, so means what we can say here, 1-chloro, 2-nitrobenzene, that is minor product, and this one also 1-chloro, 4-nitrobenzene, this is major product. Okay, so in sulfonation, next one what we can take here, sulfonation. Sulfonation means sulfuric acid. With sulfuric acid we are going to take. So here the reagent. Here what we can take here? Cl, and here concentrated H2SO4 delta, heating. So now we are going to get here at other position, at para position, chlorine. Okay, so when you add chlorine, what happens? So here SO3H. So this is the nucleophile we are going to get. So this is 2-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Which will be minor, and coming to here Cl SO3H. So this will be the major product. So this one we are having 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Okay, so in the same way we can take here Federal-Kraft reactions. So in Federal-Kraft reactions we are having two types. First one is alkylation, another one is acylation. Okay, so alkylation. So coming to here also, alkylation means what here? If you are going to take chlorobenzene Cl, here we are taking alkyl halide in the presence of Lewis acids. Okay, so when you add Lewis acids in the presence of alkyl halides, it is also giving two products, that is one is Cl, here CH3, here CH3 plus Cl minus. So CH3 plus, the electrophile is going to come and add. So this is will be the what here? Major product. So what is the name of this? We can write 4-methyl chlorobenzene. So coming to here, which is attacking at other position, will be the minor. These all can be explained due to resonance structures only. Here CH3. So this will be what here? Minor product. So we can say here 2-methyl chlorobenzene Okay, so this is about alkylation. So next one we are having acylation. In Federal-Kraft reaction, I have told you two reactions. One is alkylation, another one is what? Acylation. So acylation is nothing but what here? Acetyl chloride we are going to take here. Here Cl plus CH3 COCl. Okay, so which will be treated with in the presence of AlCl3. So you are going to get here Cl COCH3. Okay, 4-chloro acetophenone. We can say phenone. So this will be a major product. Coming to which is attacking at other position. COCH3. Okay, this one is going to be a minor product. So here 2-chloro acetophenone. So this will be what here? Minor product. So these are about the 5 reactions of electrophilic substitution reactions, we can say. So this, wherever we are writing other position and para position, so these are explained due to what? Resonance structures we are going to explain. So here major product we are saying. So this one will be the more product it is given, this one will be the less product it is giving. Okay, so now let us react with metals. So reaction with metals, already we have seen in aliphatic compounds. Now let us discuss with in metals. So here, coming to here, let us take reaction with metals means mainly we have been taken magnesium. So when haloarine is reacted with magnesium, in the presence of dry ether. So it is going to give what here? It is going to give MgBr. So this is the name of phenyl magnesium bromide. So this one will be also what here? This one will be also a Grignard reagent. I had told what general formula R MgX. So where R indicates alkyl or aryl group also we can take. So this is the aryl group. So this one will be also a Grignard reagent. And also reaction with sodium. Reaction with sodium means what here? Which reaction we have taken in alkyl halides. Coming to here, Uji-Fittig reaction. So this is the Uji-Fittig reaction. Why? Because I have told Uji-Fittig reaction means, so here whenever you are adding alkyl halide, okay, two different alkyl, one is alkyl halide, aryl halide, in the presence of sodium and dry ether, it will give alkanes. So I have been taking here alkyl halide and aryl halide in the presence of 2Na dry ether. So it is giving what? 2NaCl is lost here. So it is getting R alkanes plus 2NaCl it is going to get. So this one we call it as Uji-Fittig reaction. Means a mixture of an aryl halide and alkyl halide gives an alkyl arene. This is the alkyl arene. Okay. This one we call it as what? Treated with sodium in the presence of dry ether. This one we call it as Uji-Fittig reaction. Fittig reaction means what here? What is Fittig reaction? Fittig reaction is nothing but here. Fittig reaction is different. Uji-Fittig is different. So here we are taking two aryl halides in the presence of sodium, 2Na, dry ether. So there will be loss of minus NaCl. Okay. So it is giving what? Biphenyl group. What it is giving? It is giving biphenyl group. So one more benzene is adding. So this one we call it as biphenyl. This one we call it as what here? Fittig reaction. And also aromatic compounds will undergo reduction. Reduction means what here? Addition of hydrogens is going to take place. So coming to here we are taking haloarene. Here we are taking reduction means, as we know, addition of hydrogen take place. Here the reagent we are adding what here? LiAlH4, or we can take nickel in the presence of aluminium NaOH. This is the reagent we can take. So here we are forming alkanes and HCl is lost. So this is about electrophilic substitution reactions, and also here with metals we have been seen. Okay. So in the next class we can take the next compound. Thank you.